F-250 Platinum, 6-inch lifted on 38s. You better stick around for this one. We got a fresh diamond here behind us. This is Michael Tucker's amazing Everest edition, aka FATBOY. He goes by FATBOY, and this is a trio of gentlemen that are super strong. We got Mike Bradford and Jeremy Stryker. They've already done their diamonds here with us at Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. Check out these bad boys. The Star White rendition looking amazing. And I guess they've got some sort of competition going on because FATBOY's truck is so fat. I'm talking PHAT. You know what I'm saying, y'all? We are big boy status, looking so amazing. Iconic silver with lots of customization, so let's go. Up front, this grill, we did iconic silver on your horizontal bars there. There's 4 horizontal bars, and then that circular bar, all iconic silver. Did the blue to iconic silver only, kept the chrome, so it has a nice flow of black chrome and the iconic silver. A 30-inch rigid RDS light bar on the front, looking truly amazing. And notice the detail. That bump pad right there, this iconic silver, was textured black. So that pad that the light bar is laying on used to be a non-premium component. Did iconic silver just like we did the fog light surround. Looks so much better in iconic silver. It's the details that matter. You hear me say it all the time. And the big thing that I'm so pumped up about is the 6-inch lift with the 38s, because this truck, to me, if it had 37s, man, it would be puny. It would not be legit. It would not be next level like we like to do here. Bushwhacker side fender flares in iconic silver as well. Again, a nice flow of a gate black. Remove the texture on the mirrors at the lower portion there, and all the way around did a gate black. So you got premium paint around your full mirror surround. It just cleans it up and makes it look so much more elegant. A new rendition here, keeping the chrome cap up top and doing just the black there. And again, the BDS 6-inch coilover, going to give you the best overall ride quality, fully adjustable. We got rear radius arms from BDS as well as Fox dual steering stabilizer down below. You got to ride true and shored up, and we're on 22 by 10s, y'all. Look at how amazing this is. And that negative offset with a 38, 13.5, 22 Nitto trail grapper mud terrain that actually measures out to be quite substantial. We're almost 14 inches wide, and those flares give us nice coverage. So without the flares, our mild to wild scale would be on, leaning more towards the wild side. But with the flare coverage, we're only sticking out about 2 inches. So a good balance there. And again, the 38s, let me step back and show you my good money side shot. Make a huge difference. 38 big boy status, 6-inch lifted. You don't have to go up 6 inches to run a superior and big wheel and tire combo, but a 6-inch lift with a 38 is definitely the way to go. Let me know your comments and thoughts on that. The Fuel Contra gloss black and milled, had to have been a gloss black and milled wheel to tie in with our other components. And out back, you know I love back here. Check out these tail lights, a nice light smoke, iconic silver around the perimeter there, and did the applique in iconic silver and actually left the platinum letters, that brushed aluminum, so it does have a little different hit to it. You can see it right there. Yes, sir. Did the forward emblem out back to match the front, but again, iconic silver runs all the way through the applique into the tail light, which is a game changer there. We did rigid SRQs out back in iconic silver to match. Also, a good look at the mild to wild scale. It's a money setup, y'all. A money setup, 6-inch lift, 38. You really can't go wrong with this combo. Just get the wheel right, throw some paint there in a nice way, very tastefully, and you got a banger right there. What we got? A good look at your Fox Shocks 2.0 aluminum series. You got a block swap to go along with it. So it's our BDS tried and true 6-inch coilover kit, iconic silver, tried and true, looking amazing. Smoke that third brake light. Let me show you that. And we got to do a bed cover on it as well, but we do have a Akins liner going on with it too. So many upgrades still to come to this one, but just wanted to get it to you because I know it's going to be gone fast when it comes to scoop this thing up. Again, a great group of men that are building phenomenal trucks with us. It means everything, and I love the way this one turned out. All 3 of you gentlemen are great, and we sure do appreciate you right here at Akins and Willies. Let's jump inside to show you what big boy status looks like and feels like. 6 inches elevated. I love a lifted truck. It's amazing, and the 6 inch is the way to go. 2022 has so much to be thankful for with the big 12-inch touchscreen, all the great amenities, but the power, the 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. Driving this truck, you still have adequate power. You don't feel any lag whatsoever. So this is the foundation to start to do your big bad Everest edition. And we've got many more Everest editions coming your way of all different sizes and with an entire combo. So you got to stay tuned, y'all. So I hit up FATBOY and I said, FATBOY, look, we got to throw a trimmer valance on this bad boy. That's exactly what we did. It made a game changer. Trimmer valance up front for the win. Yes. Now I got to show you, because we got the resources here and this is helpful for you all. I want to pull it over here and show you a covert and a stock truck side by side this Everest. I hope this right here is super beneficial for you all. Here are our stock Super Duty trucks, and right next door is our latest covered edition 2.5-inch leveled on 37s, and then right next door the 6-inch lifted on 38 Everest edition. So a great comparison to show you stock versus leveled versus lifted. Let me back up and show you a little bit better shot of this. There you go. I mean, you can take a Super Duty truck and go as mild to wild as you truly want with it. So we've got a stock truck, nothing wrong with it, but covert edition, many great upgrades that make it a better everyday driver, more confident driver, more capable driver. And then next door, an even bigger and badder truck, truly amazing. So stock, covert to Everest. And then now I can show you in the sunlight that applique, because it was in the shade, didn't do it justice. Love to bring it to you in the sunlight. Look at those platinum and Super Duty letters, keeping that brushed aluminum look there. That is a game changer. That's a banger. That is a banger. And I forgot to tell you and show you a gate black on your upper tailgate handle surround there. That rear is money set up. And again, next door, you can see, man, those tail lights are so gaudy to me. I'm being honest, that's so gaudy, all that red with the silver. And next door, that just looks like it flows. It flows. It flows so perfect. This truck, this rear, compared to this rear, I mean, I'm being nitpicky. I know I am, y'all, but you know, real deal's real deal. I can't help it. I see what I see, and I see all that red does not look as elegant as you do right here. So again, Everest edition 6-inch lifted on 38s for FATBOY. We got a covert for somebody, and then we got a stock truck for somebody as well. Of course, they all can be customized by us here at Willies, but 37s on a level kit, obviously too, you can run 35s on this system with no problem, but you go 6-inch, I highly recommend that you all run 38s or better. You dig? Again, thanks for watching today. It's been a great one. I love this truck. I love the story. The story and the network and the friends and the customers are all so important to me. So knowing that this is just kind of having babies one after another. We had Mike's first, we had Jeremy's second, and now we've got FATBOY. So congratulations to you all. Really do appreciate you for trusting in us. Y'all sacrifice a lot to do business with us. Y'all don't live close by here, so it means everything that you're willing to do the steps necessary to do business with us. Hopefully we reward you with beautiful trucks and stress-free drives for many years to come. Everest, covert, stock, you know what it is. Peace out.